just turn the ignition on. Come over here. We got our GS-911 hooked up. You can buy these, by the way, at Twisted Throttle. There's a new version of the GS-911 that comes with an OBD2 connector. If you have an old version of GS-911, you have to buy a $30 adapter. That is the old connector to the OBD11. But the new one that Twisted Throttle has the direct connection. Let's go over to our laptop here. And open. Now we're going to go to Series, F-Series, F750, Special Functions, Reset Service Reminder. Perfect. So you see here, so the service was due at 6/38. It's actually 4/72. I hate servicing bikes literally a week after winter ends. So we're going to reset the service reminder to 6,000 miles. Boom, very done, like there. Now in here, you can also do an auto scan, which is kind of nice. You can see what else is going on with the bike. Kind of nice way to check things out. Totally optional. There shouldn't be any error codes in here, but hey, good to check, right? This is what BMW would do for their 600-mile service. And what you're looking for is fault codes. At 42 miles, she had a injector cylinder 2. And 20, oh, interesting. All right, what else do we have here? No faults found, no faults found. 2 found. Tank switch error. Oh, I know what that is. I know what that is. It's because I took the tank off. Instrument cluster, no faults found. 1 fault found for the body controller. Oh, the horn circuit. Yep, I know about that too because I... So we're going to go a little deeper here. So that's super interesting. So at 42 miles, which is actually before we even got the bike, there was a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear those fault codes. I've already saved it. Nothing in ABS. Nothing. All right, we are done. And now that we're done with this, you can actually go immediately into the bike's menu, and you can go over to service and 6213 for the service reminder. So all good, hit the power, and we're done. So this was our break-in service for the F750GS.